Hello, and welcome to the last episode of our 10 video series. Hopefully by now you have amazing looking profile, you have your college list, and today we will work on our internships and jobs. Now remember, Cirkled In's promise to you, one profile, endless opportunities. Cirkled In not only gives you a place to create your story in form of a professional profile, but also a one-stop shop for all your educational and employment opportunities, including jobs and internships. So let's get started. For jobs and internships, if you go on your Cirkled In profile, on top you will see this button, Search Jobs and Internships. If you click on that, it takes you to this page. It says, get the experience of a lifetime. So when you come here, you can search by job title, or you can search by state or company name, or there are some filters on the left side. So here are some job categories as well. You can click on any of these categories and actually find the jobs. So let's say if we click on advertising and marketing, here are some of the jobs that are related to advertising and marketing. And these are the filters categories that are already created for you. Or like I said, you can search for filters on the left side. You can even search for remote jobs. Many jobs right now, many internships are remote, where employers are looking for more talent, and no matter where they are geographically located. So you can search by full-time, part-time. You can search here by different categories, like I mentioned, even pay type, where it's paid or unpaid. Many times you get volunteering hours credit, so go for those as well. If you say pay, what is your minimum rate that you are looking for, and stuff like that. And then for each job, you can see the details. So the job opens up here. It will tell you everything you need to know about this job, where it is. So this is in Houston, Texas, 40 hours. It seems like it's like a full-time job. And then what is the education level? They are looking for high school graduates, no experience required. And here is the job description by the employer. You can save this job in your favorite list, or you can even apply. Some jobs you can apply directly with your Cirkled In profile. These are the jobs for employers who have partnered with Cirkled In. If not, if you click on button apply, it will take you to their website. You can even copy the job link and send it to a friend. You can share it on social media also if you want to. If you put this job in your favorite job list, it will show up in your profile right here. So on the left nav bar, you have my internships and jobs, and here are all the jobs I have applied. 2023 summer intern in San Diego. Or you can see all the jobs I have applied, or all the jobs I have saved. These are the jobs that I may be able to apply. It will say right here with Cirkled In profile, because it is actually a job at Cirkled In, an internship, or you can see job that on different locations that I have saved. I may be looking to apply to these little later. So this is how you can create your save list, or you can see where you have applied. And with that, Cirkled In is opening up opportunities in front of you that you may not have seen before, especially with the remote jobs. So go ahead and find the job or the internship that aligns with your interest, aligns with your strengths and your passions. So with that, we conclude our 10-part series. I hope that you have a chance to look through these videos again as needed and create an amazing portfolio. Thank you very much, and good luck and best wishes for your future, high school and beyond. Thank you.